The IoT continues to spark excitement among business leaders and their IT partners as a way to potentially improve, change, or even disrupt their firms. While IoT has the potential to unlock tremendous opportunity and value for organizations, the path to digital business value can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. With a low-code development platform like TIBCO Cloud Live Apps, business developers are able to turn their ideas into fully functional IoT applications in just minutes without having to rely on their IT departments. Because Live Apps was created with the business user in mind, creating your applications is super fast, simple, and intuitive. For a range of use cases and industries, this means simplifying access to IoT capabilities, shortening time to market to days to hours, and reducing overall costs. At TIBCO, we fuel your digital transformation by enabling you with the right tools for smarter decisions and faster actions. To watch us build a smart IoT app in just minutes, sign up for the demo. Get started today with Live Apps.